Hey guys, I'm Floriano Jacques, Assistant Professor at Patil School of Hospitality and Tourism Studies. Today, I'm going to show you of how we take our practicals during this pandemic session. And don't you worry, we're going to rock it. At today's session, we're going to make a sort of a martini, which is called a designer martini. So we're going to use a martini glass and also a stirring glass. To set it up, instead of chilling the glass, we're going to use a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Then we will go ahead and add a little bit of a sweetener syrup. And to give it the content of alcohol, we're going to use absolute citron. We're going to give it a good stir. And pour it over the drink.